channel. Today we are going to learn about Andromeda. Everyone is talking about this new meta update Andromeda, and in this video I will teach you what is Andromeda, is it rolled out in India, how it affects us, and who will win in this Andromeda update, and lastly, is Andromeda a threat? So let's get started. So what is Andromeda? So Andromeda is an AI update which is provided by the Meta. So Andromeda is an update by Meta. So in this update, Meta will now use AI to find out the right audience, and will use AI to optimize the ad as well. So this is a diagram in which it is shown that how Andromeda will do the targeting and optimization of the ads. So basically, before this updation, we have to do all the targeting in meta ads by ourselves, like selecting the right audience, selecting the age, the gender, the location, the behavior. But now, after the updation of Andromeda, all this targeting is being taken care by AI. So, is Andromeda rolled out in India? And the answer is yes, Andromeda is rolled out in India as well. Let's take an example to understand this better. Imagine that you are working in a mall and your job is to deliver the flyers to the right audience to attract into that particular store. So, in that case, you can miss out various right audience who might be interested in that shop, but take Andromeda as an assistant, and now that Andromeda will use an AI to see who is interested in that particular shops, and provide the templates to that particular customer at the right time by understanding the behavior, and providing the template of flyers at the right time. So how Andromeda affect us? So from the point of view of users will now see more relevant ads, and they will see less boring ads. And from the point of view of creators and advertisers, they can now focus on creating the good ad copies and videos, as all the targeting is been taken care by AI now. So the marketers and creators do not have to worry about finding the right targeting for meta ads after this update. So who will win in this Andromeda update? The people who will use different type of hooks, different type of offers, different type of headings, different type of creatives in the ad will win in this update. So in this update, the meta has given preference to the creative as compared to targeting. So the people have to focus on creating the great visuals and best ads copy, best videos, so that they get to the right people. And after this update, you have to upload customer data into the meta ad accounts, like email list as well as custom audience list, and you can create a lookalike audience so that meta can target to the right audience. and deliver you the result. Is Andromeda is a threat? No, it's not a threat. It's a powerful system that will help us to give better result if we use it properly. We have to focus now on providing different type of creatives to the meta ad so that it use its AI to give us better ROI. So overall it's a great updation by Meta. So now we have to focus on providing different type of creatives to Meta, and we do not have to worry about the manual targeting, as all the targeting and optimization is being taken care by Meta in this update. So thank you, hope you understand what is Andromeda is. See you in the next video. Thank you.